Click on the link below to get price. The Apple iPhone 15 in 256GB, black, is a remarkable device that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, making it a top choice for both Apple enthusiasts and newcomers alike. This renewed version offers an attractive price point while maintaining the high standards associated with the Apple brand. Upon first unboxing, the iPhone 15 impresses with its aesthetic appeal. The black finish is sophisticated and timeless, and the device feels premium in hand, thanks to its durable materials. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display delivers vibrant colors and sharp contrast, perfect for streaming videos, browsing photos, or playing games. The brightness levels are impressive, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight. Performance-wise, the iPhone 15 is powered by the A16 Bionic chip, which provides exceptional speed and efficiency. Apps launch quickly, multitasking is seamless, and demanding games run without any lag. Coupled with 256GB of storage, users have ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The battery life is another highlight, often lasting a full day even with heavy usage, which is a significant advantage for those on the go. The camera system is outstanding, with a dual camera setup that captures stunning photos in various lighting conditions. The night mode feature enhances low-light photography, while the new computational photography techniques produce sharp and vivid images. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting up to 4K resolution, making it easy to capture beautiful moments. As a renewed device, the iPhone 15 has been thoroughly inspected and certified to work like new, offering users peace of mind with a warranty. While some might be concerned about purchasing a renewed product, this iPhone 15 feels as reliable as a brand new device, offering excellent value for money. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 15, 256GB, black, unlocked, is a stellar choice for anyone seeking a high-performance smartphone with a premium feel. Its robust features and performance justify its place in the current smartphone market, making it a worthwhile investment.